In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to use color scale in Microsoft Excel. Here, you can see a table where we are using monthly sales data for color scaling in Microsoft Excel. Here, you can see that sales data. We are going to show color scale in Microsoft Excel for this data. So, we are going to select this. We are selecting this. Here, you can see Home tab. In the middle side of the Home tab, you can see conditional formatting. Click here. Now, here is an option, color scale. There are different types of color. Here, we are going to select first one. Microsoft Excel applies color scale formatting in these cells. Look, here you can see that green color is the highest selling value and the red color is the lowest selling value. On the other hand, those gray color are the average selling value. If you want to format the cell again, then you need to select this, then go again conditional formatting. Here there is an option is manage rules. We are going to customize our colors. So we are selecting this, double click there, and here you can see colors. We are going to select red color as our lowest value and green color as our highest value. Then click OK, then apply. Look, you can see that the lowest value of our sales is in the red color and the highest value of our sales is in the green color. This is how you can visualize your data in Microsoft Excel by using color scale. Thanks for watching the video.